Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Neerav, and today I'm going to be talking about a topic that is near and dear to everyone's heart: saving money. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about how reducing your monthly expenses can actually help you double your savings. One thing to note here is everybody's financial situations, family life, and the areas that you live in are different, and hence, not everybody will identify all of these areas as expenses where they need to cut back. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to identify at least one area in your life where you can cut back on your monthly expenses, thus adding to your savings. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do when trying to reduce your monthly bills and expenses is to take a close look at what you are currently paying for. Look at all of the bills and expenses and categorize them based on the needs versus discretionary expenses. The needs in this case would be your rent, your mortgage payments, your groceries, utilities, things that you need to survive, versus discretionary is more about subscriptions, dining out, and all of the other entertainment activities that are not necessary for your survival. Once you've done that, take a closer look to the discretionary expenses and look at whether these subscriptions or dining out is adding value to your life. If they are not, it might be time to cut back on these and save on those expenses. Another great way to reduce your monthly bills is to cut down on your food expenses. Eating out less and cooking more meals at home can have a big impact not just on your budget but on your health. There are plenty of ways to save money on groceries without sacrificing nutrition or flavor. Some tips include meal planning, shopping at discount grocery stores, and buying in bulk. In this process, you also learn to cook, and cooking is one of the hardest skills that anyone can build in a couple of months. Speaking of shopping, there's one area where you might be able to save some money on, and that is on your phone plan and your internet plan. For some of us, if not all, these would likely be provided by the same service provider. In this case, take a look at the features and services that you have within your plans and how much are you utilizing these services. For instance, take a look at the data. If you have a phone plan with a 30 gig data, but you only end up using about 5 gigs on average across several months, then you don't need the other 25. Try to talk to your service provider and switch to a more affordable and a lower plan that also provides you enough buffer on your services, but at the same point of time, you don't have to incur those extra costs because you're not utilizing these services. Another way to contact your service provider is based on the tenure that you've been with them. Many of these telecom services have loyalty plans and bundles. See if you can explore some of those in order to save some money for you on your monthly expenses. Energy costs can be a big drain on your wallet. Make sure that you're turning off your appliances and lights when you don't need them. Another way is to replace your old energy consuming appliances and buy energy efficient appliances, which can save you money in the long run. It is also a great idea to review your insurance policies timely to see if there's any way that you can reduce your monthly premiums. These could either be bundling your home and auto insurance or looking for insurance companies that offer you alumni benefits or offer employer group discounts. If these are not an option, another way is to see if you can increase your deductible, thus reducing your monthly insurance premiums. This video up here will help you plan your meals and thus reduce your expenses on groceries. I really hope that this video helped some of you identify some of the areas where you could cut back some expenses. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to my channel for more content, and I'll see you next time.